Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Ma'am, fine. And ma'am, I'm fine.
Ready for your class?
Yes, ma'am.
So what
Yes,
were we doing
ma'am,
in the
I'm
last
ready.
class? What were we doing in the last class, children?
Ma'am, the chapter of ma'am, 14th chapter reading.
14 chapter.
Ma'am, chapter number 14 reading.
Till
Good
where
morning,
did we?
ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. You my presentation.
Who is saying good afternoon?
Good morning, ma'am.
You really want the day to get over soon, huh? So that you can get rid of your classes. Is it so? It's good afternoon.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
No, ma'am. It's good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so let's.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, today we have to start Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, we will start Himachal Pradesh. Let everybody join. Let's wait for one more minute and then we are going to start our reading. I can still see children coming in.
Ma'am, today I want to tell you something.
Tell.
Ma'am, in yesterday, ma'am, in Hindi literature period,
Yes, what happened?
today also in science class. Ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am also make.
What, beta? What happened?
Ma'am, yesterday in Hindi literature class, ma'am, Payal ma'am make, by mistake, she make me the host. And ma'am, in today's class also.
Okay, so you were the host. So what did you do after being the host?
Ma'am, I was shocked and ma'am, then Payal ma'am said that, Sama, you make me the host. Ma'am, then I make.
Okay, very nice.
And ma'am, in same happened in our science class also today.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta, ask who is asking me.
मैं present.
Okay. Okay, so children, did you start working on the project work I gave you?
Ma'am, I have found all the historical places of Punjab and I have made the video and blog it too. Ma'am, which project?
Okay, so all of you are not aware about the project work.
Yes, ma'am. I am aware.
All of you are not aware, beta. See, children are asking me. Now, what you're supposed to do is you have to collect information about the state Punjab. Okay, for class 4th, I have chosen Punjab state. You have to make a presentation.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. The presentation is not to be made on any chart paper or any 3D thing. It has to be done in your phones. So what you'll do is I'll divide the class in 5 or 6 groups. Each group will have 4-5 students. Those 4-5 students have to make one presentation that will be called as one project. Now, those 4-5 students have to collect different information, they have to pick different topics for Punjab to make a complete presentation about the state Punjab. Like for example, if there are 4 students, 5 students in one group, so one student can speak about the location of Punjab and the cities of Punjab. The other student can talk about the culture and wait, let me finish. The second student can talk about the culture and heritage. The third student can talk about the costumes, what people wear of that place. Fourth student can talk about the food that is eaten, the crops that grow in that state. And the fifth student can collect any other information like the 5 rivers of Punjab or whatever like unique things you want to add. So each child will choose one topic to speak on. Okay, each child will choose one topic, and that, like, those 5 students, 5 topics will be combined into one video that will be called one presentation. So from class 4th B, since there are around 30 students, 32 students, so we can have 6 such presentations. And out of those 6 presentations, I'm going to, like, not I, but this thing, the administration is going to choose which is the best one. So this is your competition kind of a thing, the project that you have to work on. Now ask whatever queries you have.
Ma'am, I have a query. Ma'am, you will make a team. Make the groups.
I will divide you in groups.
Ma'am, when we
You only
make
have
a group.
Beta, in this week, like by Saturday, you have to tell me what topic you have chosen. Everybody think of the topic, and then I'm going to divide, make the groups.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Next question.
Ma'am, I have chosen already. Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, Om ask.
Ma'am, I have sent you my topic and I have also sent my presentation.
Yes,
on your
yes,
personal.
beta. Okay, beta. Okay, that's very nice. Yes. Now, Ridyansh is asking that you can discuss your topic with our group mates. So, beta, first let me divide you in groups, and then only with your group mates you will decide, you will discuss the topic. Okay, right now keep your topics very private to yourself. Don't share your ideas with other students. Okay, because you never know in which group you will go. So you have to keep your ideas the best and unique. Yes, Dhwani.
Ma'am, I have taken the option and I have half of the work of my project is done. So again, I have to think something else.
No, beta. When you have already worked on it, then why will you work twice? Continue that work only and complete your thing. Okay.
And ma'am,
And whatever you want to share with me, you will send me on my personal wall. Okay. Don't send it on the class group.
okay, ma'am. And
Yes.
ma'am, the video should be how much minutes?
Yes. Your video, each child's video should not exceed 1 minute. Is it fine? So one complete presentation will be of, like, say 4.5 minutes to 5.5 minutes. If each group will have 5 children, then each child's work should be of 1 minute. Yes, now say.
Ma'am, doubt is clear. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, is we have to download any app?
See, if you have any app, if you already know any app in which you can combine pictures and you can make a video, you can add background sound, that's fine, it's good. But if you don't know any app, then I told an app to children, that is Vlogit. It is a good app that lets you do different things. Okay.
Yes.
Adrika, beta, I can't hear you. You are not
Mama,
audible. Your
sorry.
microphone is not working. Yes. Anjali, say.
Ma'am, if you have divided 4 students in any chat, ma'am.
Wait, I will type the app in the chat box. Yes, Samar, what are you asking? Samar, I cannot hear you, beta. Okay, Pratishta is saying, ma'am, I am in my grandma's house, so the network is not good. So, ma'am, I can't be, okay. My video can't be opened. The app name is in the chat box. I have typed it. The app is Vlogit. Then, next. Yes?
Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Yes, Adrika, now I can hear you. Ask.
So, ma'am, my question was.
Now I cannot hear you. Adrika, your voice was gone again in the middle while you were
So,
speaking.
ma'am, suppose our group means the group is of 4 children. So, all 4 children has been make their video. So, ma'am, can you tell me how we have to join that video to make a single video?
Okay. Now when I will divide the groups, suppose one group will have Om, Ridyansh, Reyansh, Adrika and Samar. Suppose this is not the final group. These 5 students. Now any one of you can decide who will combine all those videos, who will blend or merge those videos. Suppose Adrika says that I am going to combine the videos. So each child will send his or her video to Adrika on her personal number. And then Adrika, you are going to, like the group leader, let's not call her group leader. A group member is going to combine all the videos. Is it fine?
Okay, ma'am. Fine.
Yes. What we have to do, Mehul, I was telling about the project, the social studies.
Yes,
project.
ma'am.
Do you know about it?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. You joined late, and few days back also I discussed this project work in the class. So now again I'll have to repeat. Okay, Mehul, what you'll do is today now in the class when I'm going to send you the link of this recording. You are going to watch the recording and then you'll get to know what is the project work. Each day, every teacher shares the recording link. Do you know this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So everybody is going to watch that recording today, and in that you will get a clear picture that what is to be done about the project. What is the project about and what is it demanding from you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let us begin the class. Ready for the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is going to read? Children, put your videos on except for Pratishtha. Everybody will put the video on today.
My video is not working.
Whose video is not working?
Today we do question answer. My video is not working. Ma'am, what is the page number?
Everybody open up your books.
is not coming.
Is my voice
Ma'am,
not
what?
clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear. Ma'am, clear.
No, ma'am.
Clear, no?
Ma'am, clear.
Yes, it's very
Ma'am, what is the page number?
page number 92. Himachal Pradesh. Now,
Ma'am, I
who
want
is
to
going
read.
to read?
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am, can I read?
Ridyansh.
Ma'am, can I?
Let's begin from Ridyansh. Okay, each one will get, everyone will get a turn. Don't worry, don't get disappointed. Only one child can get first, right?
Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the state capital of Himachal Pradesh. The rivers Chenab, Sutlej,
Yes.
and Ravi flow through this state. The hilly region are very cold and experiences snowfall in the winter. The summer are pleasant.
Experiences, beta, experiences.
The summer are pleasant. Confluence. What is the word?
The word is coniferous. Coniferous trees.
Such as fir, squares, pine, Tito, and free
It's
trees.
called deodar.
Friends form the natural vegetation of the region. A variety of fruits like apple, pears, plums, cherries, apricots, and peaches are grown in orchards. Maize, barley, rice, and vegetables are also grown on the terraced hillside. I'm done the paragraph.
Who else will read? All those children whose videos are not on will not get a turn to read. Only if you will keep your videos on, you will get your turn. Let's have Rayansh. Let's have Rayansh.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, here is in data.
Then beta, your signals must be weak. Rayansh, read the same lines.
Okay. Data problem because my sister is also taking 3 class.
The river.
Whose sister is taking class? Who is saying my sister is also taking?
The hilly regions are very cool.
Me, tell your name. I can't really make out who it is. Mehul. So Mehul, your sister is taking the class. You can keep yourself mute, but your video can be on.
And my sister is also taking class. So ma'am, data is no more. Ma'am, data is no left.
All right. Then it's fine. Yes, now read.
Shimla is the state capital of Himachal Pradesh. The river Chenab, Satluj, Beed and Ravi flow through this state. The hilly regions are very cold and experience snowfall in the winter. The summers are pleasant. Coniferous trees such as
Beta, it is called fir. Coniferous trees such as fir. FIR is fir.
spruce, pine, deodar, and fens form the natural vegetation of the region. A variety of fruits like apples, pears, plums, cherries, apricots, and peaches are grown in orchards. Maize, barley, rice, and vegetables are also grown on the terraced hillsides.
Okay. Stop. So now we have, what is this? What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh?
Ma'am, Shimla.
Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Then, which rivers flow through this state, children?
Ma'am, Ravi,
And Ravi.
Chenab, Satluj, Beas, and Ravi flow through this state. Now, how is the weather? The hilly regions experience a very cold weather. We even have snowfall in the hilly regions of Himachal Pradesh.
and pleasant summers.
Yes, and summers are
And
pleasant.
the summers are pleasant.
Yes, very nice. The summers are pleasant. Now, we have coniferous trees. What are coniferous trees? What do you mean by coniferous? Those trees which have pointed needle-like leaves. Those trees which have pointed, sharp, needle-like leaves are called coniferous trees. So which are those trees? They are fir, spruce, pine and ferns. Deodar. Yes.
Deodar and ferns.
And this Himachal Pradesh.
And ferns.
Yes. And Himachal Pradesh is also quite famous for its fruit vegetation. What all fruit grow here? Apples,
Apple,
peaches,
pear,
apricots,
Cherries.
Plants,
Cherries. And
cherries.
Very low.
grow in orchard.
peaches.
And maize, barley, rice, and vegetables also grow on terraced hillsides. So that is about Himachal Pradesh. Now let's see how are the people of Himachal Pradesh dressed up. What do they wear? Yes, who is going to read now? Garv. Garv is going to read.
Okay, ma'am.
Garv.
Himachal is
Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Start, beta, start.
Himachal is famous for its Kullu shawls,
It's Kullu shawls.
Kullu shawls,
Waistcoats and caps.
waistcoats and caps with colorful
Woven, bordered,
wool,
sorry,
woolen
borders.
borders and motifs.
Motifs.
The most important festival in the region of
Is
Dussehra.
Dussehra. The most important festival of the region is Dussehra.
Dussehra.
Yes. Then next.
People speak Hindi, Punjabi,
Kinnauri,
Kinnauri and
Pahari.
Long robes, shorts and
Shawls.
scarves are the
Traditional
clothes of women.
Yes.
Men wear kurta, pajamas, jacket, and Himachali caps. Shimla, Kullu, Manali, and
Dalhousie
Dalhousie are very popular holiday
destinations.
destination for tourists.
Okay, very good. Now next, who is going to read? Divyanshu Dev is going to read all these lines from Himachal.
Himachal is famous for its Kullu shawls, waistcoats, and caps with colorful women's border and motifs. The most important festival of the region is Dussehra. People speak Hindi, Punjabi,
Kinnauri,
and Pahari. Long rugged shawls and scarves are the traditional clothes of women. Men wear kurta pajamas, jacket, and Himachal cap. Shimla, Manali and Kullu and ma'am, what is it done?
Dalhousie
Dalhousie are very popular holiday destination
for tourists. So now children, which is the most important festival of this place?
Ma'am,
Dussehra.
Dussehra.
Dussehra is the most important festival of this state.
And what is Himachal Pradesh famous for?
Kullu shawl and caps with
Famous for its Kullu shawl, waistcoat,
and caps.
and caps with colorful woven
Yes. What do the women of this place wear? Tell me.
Long robes, shawls, and
Shawls and those are the traditional clothes of women.
Women. Okay. What about the men? What about the men of this place?
Men wear kurta pajama,
Men wear kurta pajama, jacket,
Himachali caps.
Yes. They wear kurta pajama, jackets, and Himachali caps.
Caps.
Now also name the tourist destinations, famous tourist destinations of Himachal Pradesh.
Kullu Manali, very popular for tourists.
Okay, so there are 4 main tourist destinations: Shimla, Kullu Manali, and Dalhousie. Now, that's all about Himachal Pradesh. Any confusion?
Ma'am, can I read about Uttarakhand?
Yes.
I read about Uttarakhand?
Now let's move on to Uttarakhand. Adrika Johari will read.
Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is located on the southern side of the Himalayan range. Dehradun is its capital city. This state, this state became the 27th state of India in November 2000 and was called Uttaranchal. It was later renamed as Uttarakhand in 2007. The highest region of Uttarakhand are covered with snow and glacier. The Gangotri Glacier, which is the source of the river Ganga, and the Notri Glacier, which is the source of the river Yamuna, are both located in this state. The climate varies according the elevation from very cold higher region with snowfall to longer region which have a pleasant climate. The higher region have evergreen trees such as pine,
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
cedar, and chestnut. The lower region have cell, thick, shisha, and dark. Rhododendron trees are also common.
Okay, that's all. That's all, beta. Now, who is going to read these lines? The same lines.
Ma'am.
Yes, Summer. Summer is going to read.
Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is located on the southern side of the Himalayan range. Dehradun is its capital city. This state became the 27th state of India in November 2000 and was called Uttaranchal.
Okay,
It was later
stop, beta,
renamed-
stop. Just for a minute. How many states are there in India now?
Ma'am, 28.
Not 28 states.
Ma'am,
28 states.
28.
When I was of your age, India had 25 states.
How much?
Children, is it coming? Is my voice clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying
Yes,
when I was of your age and we used to study social studies, I used to study social studies. So that time we were taught that there are 25 states. And till now, some states have been divided and they have been branched out. So the number of states have increased. Uttarakhand is one of those branched out states. Earlier, it was a part of Uttar Pradesh only, but it has been carved out from Uttar Pradesh and it was the 27th state. Yes, Summer, continue reading now.
It was later renamed as Uttarakhand in 2007. The highest regions of Uttarakhand are covered with snow and glaciers. The Gangotri Glacier, which is the source of the river Ganga, and The Yamunotri Glacier, which is the source of the river Yamuna, are both located in this state. The climate varies according to the elevation from very cold higher regions with snowfall to lower regions which have a pleasant climate. The higher regions have evergreen trees such as pine, spruce, oak, cedar, and chestnut. The lower regions have sal, teak, shisham, and the in bracket ma'am it is in palash. Rhododendron trees are also
Rhododendron. Rhododendron.
rhodo- rhododendron trees are also common.
Yes, that's it. So now, when it became the 27th state, what was the name? It was Uttaranchal. Later in 2007, it was named as Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
You can be questioned what was Uttarakhand known as? What was the previous name of Uttarakhand? So what was it?
Uttaranchal.
Uttaranchal.
Okay, so you all
Uttarakhand
must
was
know.
the previous name of Uttarakhand.
Yes. And then we get to study, what are we studying? That the highest regions in the the highest regions of Uttarakhand are covered with snow and glaciers. So which glaciers? The Gangotri Glacier and the Yamunotri Glacier are a part of Uttarakhand, right? They are a part of
Mama, I have a
Uttarakhand. Yes, ask.
Ma'am, snow and glacier are same or different?
What and what?
Ma'am, snow and glaciers are same and different.
No, they are not same, they are different. Now, what is the difference between what is the difference between snow and glaciers? Let me tell you. See, glaciers are snow and ice compressed into large masses. What is glacier? Glacier is compressed. Compressed is like what do you mean? I hope you understand the meaning of compressed. किसी चीज को और compress किया हुआ, दबाया हुआ. So that is the compressed form of snow and ice. And what is snow? Snow, all of you know what is snow. It is not a compressed form. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like we can compress snow, but we can't compress a glacier. Glacier is a compressed form of snow and ice. This is the only difference between the.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, next. So we have Gangotri Glacier and the Yamunotri Glacier in which state? These glaciers are in the state of Uttarakhand. The climate varies according to the elevation from very cold higher regions with snowfall to lower regions which have a pleasant climate. Now children, we all know that as we move higher, what is elevation? Something that is raised is called an elevation. So as we move to the higher regions, the climate depends on the elevation. If the region is on, if we move on to the higher regions, the climate is very cold. We have snowfall over there. And if we come down to the lower regions, where like we talk about less elevated areas, there the climate is pleasant. Clear? So the climate depends on what? The climate depends on the elevation. Climate depends on the elevation. Then these higher regions, now higher regions have got different trees, while the lower regions have got different trees. Higher regions have got trees like pine, spruce, oak, cedar, and chestnut. While the lower regions have sal, teak, shisham, and dhak. And rhododendron trees are also commonly found here. You remember what are rhododendron trees? When we had classes on WhatsApp, I showed you the pictures of rhododendron trees. You know it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
Yes, ma'am, you know it.
Yes. What kind of trees are those? They are trees with heavy flowers. See, these are the ones. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
These rhododendron trees are commonly found in the state of Uttarakhand.
Yes, ma'am. Too heavy.
They are such beautiful, dense floral trees.
Ma'am, there are so many flowers.
Yes, they have so many flowers. These are rhododendron trees. Then moving ahead, what is the next line? Who is going to read? Whose video? Dhwani. Dhwani's video is on. Yes, Dhwani will read.
In the hilly region, Mazai Valley
Maize.
and
Beta, it's maize.
and ties are grown on terraces. Fruits are also grown in some regions. People speak Hindi,
Kumauni,
Manoli,
Ghadwali,
and other Pahari languages. Local handicrafts are made of wood. Tourism is a very important industry in Uttarakhand.
there are many pilgrimage sites.
Pilgrimage sites like Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Hemkund Sahib.
Hemkund Sahib,
Hill station like
Ranikhet, Nainital, Mussoorie,
Oli and the Valley of Flowers are popular tourist attractions.
yes. So we have, now children, what do we see? We see that here also the vegetation takes place on terraced fields. You understand what are terraced fields? That kind of a farming which is done on steps. Have you seen it? So everybody will, after the class, Google what is terraced fields. You will have to look for the images, how it looks. Okay, this is your work that that I have given you for today. After your class, you have to watch it. Then we have people speak that you have to find out what is terraced fields. Here also in the state of Uttarakhand, they are saying this vegetation takes place on terraced fields. And in Himachal Pradesh also, vegetation is done on terraced fields. So what are these terraced fields? You have to see. You'll Google it yourself. Then we have fruits are also grown in some region. People speak Hindi, Kumaoni. What?
Ma'am, I have also found it. Ma'am, the
Good.
picture.
Very nice.
ma'am, I found terraced field meaning.
What is it? Tell me.
Ma'am, the meaning is this type of landscaping is therefore, ma'am, graduated terrace steps are commonly used to farm on hillier mountains terrain.
Yes, these are generally done in hilly states. So Himachal Pradesh is also a hilly state and Uttarakhand is also a hilly state. So this kind of a, why? Because the land is not plain there. We have hills. So it is done on steps. Then we have people speak Hindi, Kumaoni, Ghadwali and other Pahadi languages. Local handicrafts of the place is done on wood. The local handicrafts, local things, craft material is made on wood. Then we have tourism is a very important industry in Uttarakhand. There are so many tourists